of this, 4 minus 1, you can say equals 3. So this is the thing your child can use this for learning. Okay, your child can actually use this to learn while he or she is also playing. For him to learn, there are other signs. It is stickable. There are other signs you can use it to learn also multiplication. You want to make division, okay? Division, multiplication, and then so. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another beautiful unboxing. As you can see, this is for children. From stays here. Where is it stated? It says it is not for 0 to 3. So from 3 years up, they say from 3 years up can use this. This is a board for your child to play with and learn as she's using it. It says here 3 years plus. So once a child is 3 years plus, he or she can use this. Please ignore the noise in the background. The kids are playing, okay? Now, my name is Chinaza. If you're seeing me for the first time, and my channel, I do a lot of German immigration information and wellness tips, but because of the season that we are into, a lot of gifts have been gotten, so I'm taking this opportunity to make all of the unboxing to show you guys what they look like if you want to get them for your kids, how they work and what they are capable of being done, and what they can be used for. Okay, so let's go on. This is a multifunction Tafel. Tafel means board in German language. Deutschland has a language, of course, you know, they call it board Tafel. So this is a multifunction board for a child from 3 years up. Okay, you can see it from here. Okay, it's from playland. We're not making any advert for anybody. We're just trying to make a simple unboxing. It's not prepared. Everything about this is made with wood. So these are the things he has alphabet that he or she can use to learn multiplication. It has shapes. It has pen for writing and then cleaning. Okay, with this you can also learn a lot of things, addition, multiplication, and subtraction. And then there's time. There are chalks. You can also get them for your child. Okay, it's used for active learning, 24 hours. Parents can control it, and all of the things that it has. It is certified by TÜV Rheinland. This is Deutschland certification process, and then the things the child can do with it. Okay, it is perfect. It is creative. Your child can make geometric puzzle. You can make geometric puzzle with this. Okay, so let's go into what the child can do with it, and let's stop with all of this talking. It came with the box contains this part. You use this chalk. It came with. You can also buy more chalks of your choice colors of the chalk and write. So with this here you can write. The child can add either write or draw maybe an apple or something, whichever suits the child. Okay, and then here, you can write this is an orange. Okay, for me. So with this, your child is in the left hand side because this is YouTube video. So but this is orange that I meant. So this is here. Your child can use this to draw and to write. Okay, and here there are there are numbers. For example, your child wants to make can you see here? If your child wants to make multiplication or subtraction, you can say that, for example, 2 plus 4. You see it is 2 here. Say plus. Okay, 2 plus 4 equals to 6. You can choose the number here. There's 6 here. You see, and then you have 6. You see here. You can use it to learn mathematics. You can use it to learn arithmetic, subtraction, multiplication, addition, and all the rest. Okay, also has with these things, once I take one off, say 4, here is stickable 4. Okay, can say 4 minus These are the functions of this. 4 minus 1, you can say equals equals 3. So this is the thing your child can use this for learning. Okay, your child can actually use this to learn while he or she is also playing. You can use to learn. There are other signs. It's stickable. There are other signs you can use to learn also multiplication. You want to make division. Okay, division, multiplication, and then subtraction, like I have done here. So this is what it is. And something it is stickable, you can put it here while you learn. And there are also shapes here. Whatever shape you want your child to learn. This is square. Okay, the other, see, these are all shapes. So this is educational. While your child is playing, having fun, your child is also learning with this. And apart from this, it also has, apart from this, it also has this, like an ink. If your child is, you know, a little bit grown up, I can control this. I can say, for example, we have 4, okay, minus 1, like I've written here, equals 3. Okay, this is, hope you can see this. Okay, hope you can see this. And then if you want to erase it or you make an error, you can erase this. Okay, see, so it has, and then you can also write it. Okay, all of these things you see here, they can stick to the board while your child is learning and playing. All right, I hope you got something beautiful from this. This is the board. This is what it looks like. So you can learn a lot of things about mathematics, geometrics, and all the rest. Here your child can also write and draw. Okay, and the board stands. Okay, you can make it stand. The child doesn't have to hold it, so it can stand while your child is learning. You can also supervise. So this is all I have concerning this. I hope you love it. If you do, give it a like, subscribe, turn the bell icon on so you're aware whenever I make beautiful things. If you have comments, leave the comment. Buy it for your child. Okay, if you want to buy it for your child, it's actually from playland. It's from playland, and it's a multifunction board, 3 years plus. They're all made with wood, so it doesn't going to break or hurt your child. So I hope you love this. Until my next one, bye.